Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the Morris Time family. This is
Jam Time.
And I am the hot chef, aka Daddy Morris. You know the thing. Go! Today's what day?
Friday Boys Night.
Friday Boys Night. We did a video on this last year. December was our very first video. However, ever since, Jamir has been asking, Dad, please what?
Please make a video for Boys Night.
For Boys Night. So this is not a forced thing. And you may be wondering, what is Boys Night? Tell them what you think in Boys Night in your words. So let me turn the camera around. What is Boys Night?
I made Boys Night.
You made Boys Night? You sure about that?
Yeah.
Stand up.
I was joking. You made Boys Night.
Come on.
So Boys Night is basically the same
Look at that
word.
camera now. Go on again.
So Boys Night is like the same word. Make a list.
Yeah, go for your list. Go see the
And we
list.
check mark everything we do.
Bring your list. Come, let us see your list.
See? Everything and check mark each one.
Alright, but you're the one who always writes the list. So, on the list, what we have first up?
We have games, water pong, blaster, drawing, toys, and movie.
And movie, yes. And we're just keeping it a little bit short tonight because we're for recording purposes. Typically, you would get this video on a Friday night, but because for recording purposes, we want to give you this Saturday for you to get an insight as to what Boys Night is. So Jamir gave you his version of Boys Night now to hear from me. So Boys Night, the reason why Boys Night came about. Come in, camera, man. We want the camera to see you. Put the list down. We want the camera to see you. You see me? So how Boys Night came about was, I work from home recently, and Jamir likes to call me like 1,001 time. Probably even more.
No.
Alright, let me finish that. You see, he likes to do everything I do. I wear glasses, he wear glasses.
No.
I'm joking. Why do you wear glasses?
Because we got it for the store so like my eyes can hear. Because when I'm looking at the oven, the words look like they're shaking.
Alright, sit back. Alright, so we got glasses because we all need glasses. You guys saw those videos previously. So if you're new here, go and check it out. Back to the topic I was trained. So what is Boys Night for me? Boys Night for me is something different that I didn't have growing up, right? I used to see my dad every now and again. He comes home every night. Don't get that twisted. He comes home every night, but he was a very hardworking person. Go to work like 6 in the morning, sometimes 8 in the morning, and he's not coming home until 8 or 9 at night, right? And he would be so tired he'd fall asleep. And he would work 7 days a week up until the day he passed. You know what I say? So I'm like, yo, I want to change tradition, and I'm encouraging all younger men or even the older men, same way, all my peers, all of my friends, you see me, all my subscribers. Me just encourage, stop the go to nose, please.
I'm not thinking.
Thank you. I'm just encouraging you to spend some time with the kids. You get where I come from? And I say Boys Night because I only have 2 sons. Before it was just Jamir recently. There's a new baby in the house, Ajari. We would love for him to be at Boys Night, but he cannot hang with the big boys. When he gets a bit bigger, then he can join in when he doesn't need to be sucking up on his mother's breasts. But yes, anyway, back to what I was saying. So I created Boys Night last year, December. So this is December 2021 now. Sit down, my boss. This is December 2021, and we created this in December 2020 through the pandemic. I'm like, yo, I work from home. As you can see, we're in the living room. My office is basically right there, and then my other office is basically right there. That's where I do my YouTube cooking videos from. I said, you know what, I'm going to create a night out of the week, at least one night, where I can spend some quality time, some quality time. So in those times, we can play games, do arts and craft, do some research, anything fun that he likes. For right now, I leave it up to Jamir what he likes. But in the future, we're still gonna continue this even when he's an adult. I know I'm talking long, but I'm just trying to bring across the message. Even when he's an adult, we can go out for a few drinks and just hang out or do some dominoes, whatever it is. We just go with it as he ages. You know what I'm saying? So that was the reason of Boys Night, to just connect with my son, get to find out how was his week. Not saying that during the week after I pick him up, because I sit down, Jamie, please.
Mommy,
Sit down. I drop him off at school every morning. I get him ready for school every morning, pick him up, drop him off, and pick him up every evening. And I have my little 5 to 10 minute conversation here and there to find out how his day was and stuff. But that's not enough to say connect with him on a personal level. So his mom, she stays in the room, and me and him were in the living room, in the kitchen if we're doing like a science experiment, right? And we just do us. We do whatever boys do. And Friday is for the boys. You know the thing. Go. So without further delay, that's the history of Boys Night, and we're going to be celebrating our 1 year anniversary this month, 2021. And just encourage everybody out there, do something for the kids. Whether it's a boy or a girl, do something. Jamir have cousins who are boys. I was saying to Alyssa, if JP wants to come over, so if anybody at home is watching this, JP is welcome to come over. We have EJ, if EJ wants to come over, like, just connect with the youth them. As a man, want for reason with the younger youth. My dad passed when I was 13, you know what I say? And when I go to Jamaica, I'm going to do the same thing with my nephew. You see me? Just that connection, you get that manly treatment if you're not around a male figure, because I know how that can be. You see me? He jump up and down and go on a bag of things, but he well disciplined. You see me? He well disciplined.
What is discipline?
Discipline, like you know how to act, when to act, and behave yourself when you say behave yourself. Right? Alright, come sit down right as I'm mind about off my people in chain. Come. Nobody show up your colors. Come sit down. Seriously, manager, come on, sir. Come sit down, I could finish up the video. You want to start Boys Night or not?
Yes, I do.
Sit down. I might have broke up my glasses. What? But yes, so that's an invitation for anybody in the family who say, you know what, we want to join in for Boys Night. And then I was saying to Alyssa, yo, create something where your nieces can come over and you want to just connect on a level where you can teach the younger girls in the family what they should do as girls and growing up, and you know, stuff like that. So without further delay, we're gonna kickstart with the first thing. Listen, your mom was supposed to record us, but she's exhausted by taking care of Ajari. Pretty soon we'll take him off her hands and have him with us for Boys Night. So without further delay, we are gonna jump right into the thing and start off with, what's the first thing on the list?
Game.
First thing on the list is game. So set up your computer.
No, we're not doing.
Not your computer. Set up the game. So we're gonna start the game right now. So yo, I'm a 90s baby, you know, and I am all about the classics. And my son too, he loves the classic games. So
yeah, even though I was born in like 2015 July.
Not July, bro. Come on, you don't remember your birthday?
It?
You were born in 2015 January.
Oh, January.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it starts with the same letter, so that's
J. Yeah, so that's why I mix up. That's a fair mistake, right? As I said, I'm a classic guy. I love my Mortal Kombat trilogy, and I love my James Bond. And I taught Jamir how to play Mortal Kombat, how to play James Bond, and he is very good at it. 6 years old. And this guy's playing some Nintendo game from in the 90s or 80s. Don't quote me on that. I'm going to have to double check when Nintendo came out. But be careful with this. So yeah. So I went ahead and I bought some new controllers there. He just got it out the box. All of those vlogs are up for you to see.
Regardless.
So what are you doing? You're coming here to record us?
I can record you guys.
Alright, so what are you doing in here now?
Right now, I'm just ordering.
You're placing an order for...
Popeyes. Because
we don't want to cook Boys Night, so we're just going to have some takeout, right? So...
Majority would love takeout.
No, you really would want takeout, but yeah, you're going to record us here. Our first game is James Bond, multiplayer. Don't press nothing. Let me do it.
You're off it, okay?
Oh.
Don't press nothing. Multiplayer, 20 minutes. 20 minutes.
Oh, we do the same background.
Alright. All that off the bed now?
I got you.
We just got some chicken takeout because Alyssa can't cook right now. She's dealing with Ajari, fries, some fries,
This is not Tim Hortons.
and biscuit. We took a quick break from our game because we didn't eat any dinner. We just did takeout. We're eating some chicken and chips, so to speak. You enjoying yourself, my boy?
No, I'm just joking, yeah.
Enjoying yourself? Alright, so we just
But if I didn't get games again, and I have a week of no games.
he didn't get any games all week because he was on timeout. So we don't cry for stuff in this house. We just ask and we'll be patient. But he behaved very well this week, so we resume his game privileges. And today, boys' night, we're getting it done. So let's gonna grab a quick bite.
Tomorrow?
Yep, if you just continue being yourself and listen, we're gonna grab a quick bite and then we'll come back to you. So right now, we're playing some Mortal Kombat Trilogy. If you know, you know. Are you a 90s baby? How much do you know about the Nintendo 64? So Jammer is gonna put in his code.
Oh, well. See, this is how you do it. Oh, you did it?
Yeah. Alright, so we're choosing our characters. I am player 1. I always like to use Human Smoke, and I like to use what's his name, Jax or Rain. So I'm gonna use Rain. Stop cheat. Stop cheat, you.
Anyways, I would still kill you.
Alright. See, he's cheating. He's cheating. See, he's cheating.
I'm not cheating right now. Oh, you're being disrespectful. Now I understand your life. I know what to do. I exactly know what you're trying to do. I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing. Oh God, almost got.
That's what happens in a cheat people game.
Don't do that.
You need to go pee, you be nice, and I'll come back after, okay? And you'll play. Play with your brothers. I mean your brothers. Wow. Brother. Nothing wrong with having a brother if you have one. Boys, why not?
Oh, the edges are perfect, I think.
And then maybe
Gotcha. Oh. I know what trick. Press up, down, down.
That's how we do!
How did you do that?
We don't play.
How did you do that trick?
Fatality.
How
Let's
do you
go.
do that
Let's
trick?
go.
Could you tell me how you did that? So just in case.
Pardon
another
me?
time. Could you tell me how you did that? So another time.
Yeah, yo. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, I'm here. E. U. Yeah. E. What did you say? Yeah. Stop running. Stop running. Stop running. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
No.
I didn't either.
I'm putting controller here. What? He won.
I didn't touch your mom either. I just took it in. I'm mixing it today, so like, I thought today was
What? What?
I'm gonna try to get you as long as I can.
Not a chance, boy. Don't play with me.
I need you that today. I don't Stop! Oh, this is a lucky time. Oh my god, it's not. I need to tell you, you're not winning today. Not winning. You're not winning. Don't say that. Don't say that word. Watch it. Should we say fatality? Okay? Watch it. Watch the screen say fatality.
Alright, let's go. Jamir is about to perform. Woo-wee!
Before you even said I did it.
Yes, Jamir got a fatality under his belt. Let's go.
Okay, let's play a different game now.
Mommy, I call me.
Hang on.
Stop, boy. Hang up. What are What go on?
Good night, my son. How are you, sir?
There, money, alright? I don't say Alisa literally just as she know you're frying for a man, eh?
Media Karan sa phone mo in the party.
Oh, no, no.
The party na tan call.
Man, Jamir, they, I don't think this, so. I'm going to call it recently. So for the next thing on our list, we're going to be playing some water pong. So we get this table. Going to set it down right here. Open it up. Next up on our list is water pong. Basically, it's like beer pong, but because we're playing with a child, we don't do beer, so we're doing water pong. Let's go.
Bear?
Beer, like beer we used to drink. Ready? Set an alarm for 10 minutes.
Second timer.
My turn.
See that? 1 point for me. Back up. Everybody have to bump up on the table here. What's that? For luck. Let's go. Almost.
That's what this table's not using.
This table is good enough.
No, it's not.
One table.
Because this table's too little.
I can't get this table.
Yeah. Shut it.
Wait.
It's my turn.
This is
today.
Jamir's desk that he does his arts and crafts, his painting, all of his stuff.
And in my work from my online school a long time ago.
Yeah, that's why it's so colorful. So we're gonna turn the table like this, because we're playing from an angle. Let's go. So you have a bigger table. Let me see. Excuse.
Oh!
Almost just went on the rim.
That was embarrassing. I can't really breathe. Hey, that's
Let's
it.
go.
How did
You see the eye, the eye on the side where the ball is. So the ball is in my right hand. So I close my right eye, and I make sure I can see the ball line up with the cup. And then halfway down the cup, I throw it at that. That's embarrassing. It's
You
because my fingers are wet. I'm joking.
Wait, just one more try. One more try. Watch me. You win. You win. I still won. Don't say that.
Push back on people.
I got 5. I win. Ooh. Oh.
So quick water break for jam time. Cover your mouth, young boy. That's nasty. You're gonna drink the water, the dirty ball going at you. Alright, so let's clean up and we're gonna move on to
I didn't put it in my mouth.
better not, because the dirty ball bone in there. Alright, so we did games, water pong. Next up, blasters. Let's go. Alright, put away the stuff. Put away the stuff. Clean up.
It wasn't my mess, so don't forget that.
Listen.
You have to help me. So you do water and I will do the table. Okay?
Alright.
You got the water there and I
Put
got
away
the
the table.
Okay?
Where's the man?
Oh, excuse me.
Thank you.
Daddy. I'm the hedgehog and you're the sloth.
Why?
Because I'm faster than you. And
No.
you're slower than me.
Alright, let me see how fast you are. But don't slide in your socks. Let's go. Put away that. No, you're done. Put away that. I'll put away the water bottle.
And maybe you can go all the way to there and see who gets there first.
No, go. I'll throw you water. So blasters, it's basically a Nerf gun, and it's like, we call that thing? It's like darts, right? So what I did was I drew a circle on our glass window, and I wrote some points. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 circles. A big one, a
medium.
so you have a large one, a medium, a small, and then a tiny one in the middle. If you hit that tiny mark in the middle, then that's 20 points. The one outside that, the small one, it's 15 points. And the medium one, it's 10 points, and the large one is 5 points, because the large is an easier target, right? Whoa.
I almost.
Close, almost. My turn. Are we good, man? Alright?
Okay, so.
My turn.
Then,
Don't distract me.
Oh.
That's 5 points from me.
No, not 5. You didn't even get in there.
It went in
Oh.
the big circle.
How did you do that?
I aim. I don't like to do my gun straight like this. I like to turn it on an angle and
That's
Oh,
embarrassing.
it's the wrong one. blank. I'm firing blanks. Apparently not.
Ooh. You're on the same place.
10. So that's 15 points. I have 5 more points to go and I win.
You're wrong.
I wasn't wrong, bro.
Yes, you were. Stop
No.
lying.
You aim too high. Give me. We're working with time right now, so we're just setting like 10 to 20 minutes alarms. Once those goes off, we move on to the next round. Next up is what? Tell me what's on the list. If we finish in time, then we may be able to do new versus pro hacker. So check the list and tell me what's on the list. Let's go.
So I'm watching Kids Hub How to Draw. And we're drawing Clifford the Big Red Dog, the movie.
So Kids Hub is a YouTube channel with a father and his, I think, 4 kids. Sometimes his wife comes on. He's an artist.
And he's
very good.
he's better than his wife.
Yeah, because it's his channel. He teaches his family how to draw. and then the world as well. So it's a very good channel. If you have kids at home and they love drawing, you can suggest Art for Kids Hub. That's a very good channel for them, and it goes step by step process of how to draw.
And you have a lot of time because the kid draws, so it has more time. But if it's only him by himself, that happens in some video. You have to do it very fast.
Yeah, because when he's drawing with kids, he takes his time.
Here, you have to do it light, okay? Do it very light, so you can erase it later, okay?
I'm getting tired, bro. I need some water.
You need some skin on your nose so you can live.
Using our pencil first so that we can.
Could I drink some? I'm thirsty too. Can you some of yours? Is this really water?
No, it's oil. Don't finish my water, please.
Excuse me. Get it?
What you saying, Donina?
I'm not finished yet.
So what is? What is this? Yes, give me tea. Give me a bucket. Give me a bucket.
Wait.
Come. It's done, man. Give me. Pass my bucket.
Well, it's not some more.
Come, mind the water going in your nose. Give it to me. Hey, you finished. Stop. Excuse me.
I'm drinking in double layers.
Come, give me a bucket, please. Alright.
No, sorry, can't. Judy Cooties.
Thank you. You want to let that go?
Okay, Daddy, let's watch the YouTube Liddy show. Okay?
First play, please.
We're going to start at the top, and we're going to draw a big curve that comes around like this, and then comes straight into the bottom point.
So there you go with the art. This is for me and Jamir. This one is mine, this one is Jamir's. But we do not have the perfect red. So we got Clifford the big pink dog and Clifford the big beige dog. Basically. So yeah. We're on to the next one. Happy for you to be here. Hit that like button if you like what you see so far. So we have one more thing to go, and then we're gonna watch a movie and call it a night. Boys night. Let's go.
Okay,
Alright, clean up first. Let's clean up first.
Okay.
So, just a recap. So it's boys night and we're at the end. It's almost midnight, but we still have a movie to go, and we were gonna play a game where we get like with some toys, but Jamir changed his mind. He wants to watch one of his favorite YouTuber, so that's what we're gonna do. And we don't want to bore you by showing you what we're gonna be watching. So we'll just say we're gonna watch a movie, right? And if the movie is good, when I'm editing this video, I'll just put a clip of that movie so you can see. Stand up, please. We can finish off the video. I'm getting tired. So yes, that is the end of Boys Night. We got a lot done. As I said, it is time consuming because we were it's time consuming because we were recording, and for the purpose of recording, we kind of cut each activity a little bit shorter than normal, right? So we're just gonna watch a movie and we'll play with some toys, but Jamir doesn't want to do that. He wants to watch his favorite YouTuber, and that's what we're gonna do, and we don't want to bore you guys with that. So we're just gonna end the video here. No, I'm not gonna finish the video, please. So once again, thank you very much for watching, and remember, I'm Will, man. So once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember, when you come here, what you see here, what you hear here, when you leave here, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time.
Safe travel on the gravel. And go on big up on yourself. If I had a shit, that would be good.
Yeah, that's sick. Disgusting justice. Alright.
Disgusting justice.
Okay, Justin, now we're all assembled. What would you guys like to do? I want to go eat some pizza right now. You